Njengoba lakuleli likhungethwe inkinga okubalwe yogesi kanye neyokuntuleka kwamanzi, ungqongqoshe weZamanzi neNhlanzeko uSenzo Mchunu uthi uyazi ukuthi abantu bakuleli bakhathazekile ngenxa yokusweleka kwamanzi.
We understand the frustration clearly. I mean, we live among the people. We know, we meet them outside TV boxes. We go to the areas, we address them on a regular basis.
Ungqongqoshe uqhubeke wathi sekunohlela abaphezulu njengohulumeni lokubheka ukusebenza kwamanzi.
We've started a process. I think it's an unusual process by the Ministry and Department of Water and Sanitation in the country, where we physically deal with efficiency assessment.
Mchunu uchaze mayelana nezinguquko ezilindeleke ukuthi zenzeke.
What is going to change is that in June, by end of June,
right,
not next year, this year, Rand Water will have finished what they are doing in Zekerbosch. That is adding 150 megaliters per day, and that is certain. And that I wanted to inform you and inform the public in Gauteng and the rest of South Africa that we will be halving what were the problem that we are talking about by at least 150. And then somewhere at the end of the year, beginning of next year, see December, January, the other 150 will come.
Mchunu uphethe ngokuthi kuningi okusezindleleni zabo zokulungisa inkinga yamanzi kuleli.